everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is There's a Card Thursday. And I want to show you a new product. This is called the Whisper White Large Memories and More Cards and Envelopes. And you can do so much. Here's one I made, and here's another. You can use the Memories and More cards and put them on. You can also stamp on them any way you would like, whatever you'd want to do. But you can use your cards, and let's see. I've got some old cards, some new cards. I mean, you could just like that hello. You could use all by itself. Oh, and you could use this all by itself. Without even stamping on that one. And there you go. For a fast, quick, easy card, try the Whisper White Large Memory and More cards. They also have medium cards or small, but I really like the large ones because you can do so much with them. See? So thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Oh, follow me on YouTube, and all the supplies are down below, and please shop with me. I really would appreciate it. Bye-bye.